Welcome! If you're looking to control who can see what you're playing on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make your current experience visible to friends only, so you can enjoy your favorite games with just the people you trust. This guide is fully updated for the latest version of Roblox, so let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 little dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those. Next, you'll be taken to a new menu. Here, find and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Once you're in Settings, look for the option that says Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on it to open up all your privacy controls. Now, scroll down until you see Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on this to access your visibility settings. Inside this menu, you'll see an option labeled Visibility. Tap on it to continue. Here's where you can decide who gets to see your current experience. Look for the section that says Show Current Experience. You'll see a few different options, but for this tutorial, select Friends. This means only people you've added as friends on Roblox will be able to see what game you're currently playing. And that's it. You've just made your current experience visible to friends only. This is a great way to keep your gaming sessions a little more private, while still letting your friends know when you're online and what you're up to. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these same steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you in the next video.